I convert my canceled ticket to travel fund with Cebu Pacific. This is my first time to convert my canceled ticket, and of course, I'll be sharing with you my research, yung mga na-research ko. Just bear with my just woke up face. Nag-ayos naman po ako kahit konti. I was notified na cancel na yung Vietnam trip ko noong July, and yung trip ko dapat is September. And hindi lang isang beses mag-i-inform sa'yo si Cebu Pacific na cancel na yung flight mo. Hindi lang isang beses, kundi maraming beses. At hindi lang sa text, pati sa email, hanggat pansinin mo sila. Okay, first of all, what is Travel Fund? Travel Fund is a virtual wallet na meron ka sa Cebu Pacific. Excuse me. And doon mapupunta yung mga paid amount mo from an existing booking. Kunyari, na-cancel yung trip mo, doon mapupunta, kapag kinonvert mo, doon mapupunta yung pera mo and pwede mo siyang magamit sa susunod na booking mo or sa mga purchase add-on mo. And it is valid for 2 years. Ngayon, dahil nagka-COVID, 2 years na, pero parang hindi pa COVID, 1 year yung validity nun. What are the benefits ng travel fund? Ang first na nakikita ko, kasi I have 2 flights with Cebu Pacific this year dapat. Yung first trip ko is dapat ng July, kaya lang na-cancel siya dahil nga nagkaroon ng COVID. So, ang nangyari nun, mga bandang March, April, na-cancel na ni Cebu Pacific yung flight kong yun. And, ang in-opt ko nun is cash refund. So, up until now, wala pa rin yung cash refund na yun. Pero hindi naman ako nagmamadali. Kapag kinonfirm mo siya sa travel fund, sa travel fund kasi mabilis mo makukuha yung pera. Hindi naman pera, mabilis siyang mapupunta sa virtual wallet mo. Ayun. Tapos, pwede mo pa siyang magamit the next day kung gusto mo na siyang gamitin. Hindi siya hassle katulad ng cash refund. Ganun. Yun yung nakikita kong perks. And ang isa pa is sa rebook and reroute, kapag i-compare mo siya doon. Ang travel fund kasi, validity niya is 2 years. And yung rebook kailangan magamit mo siya within 3 months. Eh, saan naman pupunta ng 3 months kung ganito pa rin sitwasyon natin, diba? So, yun yung nakikita kong perks. And yung mga suki dyan ng Cebu Pacific. Ano pa po bang nakikita niyong perks? Please comment down below, and I'm interested to learn as well. This will be my first time to convert my travel fund dahil nga yung first booking ko with Cebu Pacific, cash refund yung ginawa ko. And itong Vietnam trip ko ay opt to put it in my travel fund. And yung Taiwan ko kasi is AirAsia. So first time ko talaga with Cebu Pacific. Though, ang AirAsia, meron silang parang ganito, pero let's not talk about it kasi hindi ko pa na-experience yun. Pero if I experience that, yung parang travel fund ng AirAsia, I'll let you know, so please subscribe on my channel. Let's convert my ticket. Okay, login ko lang yung account ko. Punta tayo sa Manage Booking Portal. Let's go to my previous bookings. So, makikita nyo dito yung na-cancel ko all. And so, yan, na-cancel out na rin yan. Ito yung pinaka-latest, yung sa Vietnam. Then, click Manage. Cebu Pacific gives you 3 options. Rebook or reroute flight, convert to travel fund, refund ticket. When you click Convert Now, they will notify you again na for 2 years ang validity ng travel fund mo from the day you converted it. So here's the travel fund mechanics. Please read it carefully. Make reading a habit. And makikita mo rin dito kung magkano yung binayaran mo and yung mapupunta sa travel fund mo. Click Continue, then lalabas ito. Your request for travel fund has been processed. Then, to check kung nasa travel fund mo na yung amount, just simply go to your travel fund and you'll see nandun na agad yung amount from that booking. You'll also see kung kailan yung expiration.
Cebu Pacific will also notify you through email na successful na yung conversion. Kaya lang sa akin lumabas the next day.
I know you'll be asking this na when you say travel fund is valid for 2 years, when does it start? I'm thankful to my friend dahil pinakita niya sa akin yung example nun. Hi Jaya, thank you. I'll also put the link in the description for your information and mga frequent questions niya. Yung nasa Cebu Pacific, ang nakalagay doon na example is for 1 year. So, I'll just show it to you. And hindi ko na siya gagawin for 2 years. Pero ang validity talaga is 2 years. Okay? Please take note of that. 2 years. Pero, ito nga po yung sample ng Cebu Pacific. Let's say, ang conversion date nyo is April 1, 2020. That's day 1. Email reminder na lalabas is 45 days before the last day of your travel fund, magre-remind sila sa'yo. So, ang 45 days mo mula nung April 1 is February 14. And then, yung last day to use travel fund mo will be March 31. That's the 365 days. 1 year yun. Basta yung if you decide to book your new flight by the last day, that is March 31, 2021, you can select travel dates between March 31, 2021 to March 30, 2022. Again, this is, example na to is valid for 1 year. Pero, nandun naman din sa travel fund yung expiration date. Okay? I hope I explained it well. Pero mukhang hindi. I'll just put the link down below if hindi ako clear. So, here's another question na baka lumabas sa comments. Is there a fee for converting a ticket to travel fund? The answer is, if the airline canceled the booking, wala kayong charge. Pero if you'll be the one to cancel it, merong processing fee. Can I use the travel fund for another person? The answer is no, it is not transferable kasi kayo talaga yung nakalagay ng name. Pero what if multiple names kayo sa booking na yun? Well, nasa mechanics yun ni Cebu Pacific, so please read it carefully. If you guys are interested to more travel guides and travel item reviews, here are some of my videos that you might be interested to watch, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!